Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to an episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we'll be going over how to properly make your glass crystal clear. 1, remove streaks. 2, and 3, ceramic coat it all in one easy step. So we have a perfect situation right now here in sunny California. It's not so sunny right now. It's been raining for days. Today's January 5th. You guys could check out the weather. It's been raining here in Torrance. But anyways, you guys can see this truck has some type of protection on the paint, but it has no type of protection on the glass. It created its own puddle right here. So if I actually rub my hand, it's actually wet. What ends up happening is contamination, dirt, grime, debris, fallout tends to stick onto this, and then whenever you're driving, it's actually a hazard because you can't really see. So today in this video, we're actually be showing you guys how to transform this to water beading, hat protection in one easy step. Before anything, let me just dry up all the wet surfaces such as the front, the hood, the fender, the glass. I'll leave the ceiling by itself because obviously it is still raining. But anyways guys, let me just take care of all that and I'll get back to you guys to get started on this windshield clean. I'll see you guys then. All right guys, so we just finished drying up the whole entire truck. Obviously I dried up the fender, the hood, the other fender, the windshield, obviously because it is raining right now outside in California. So it'll be kind of redundant for us to actually dry the whole entire car. Simply still going to get wet. But today our main focus is going to be on glass. How do I actually clean and ceramic coat my glass in one easy step? So as you guys can see, the glass is sticky. You do not want your glass to be sticky. If you do have a phone right now, it's touchscreen. I want you to pull it out and just touch the touchscreen. That is how simple and smooth your glass is supposed to be on your car. Like that, you have no type of contamination. Because like that, whenever you do get contamination, water starts dragging. Whenever you're driving, then it's very hard to see, even though you have your windshield wipers. But having a ceramic coating like HydroView, it's actually going to provide water beading. So whenever you're driving down the highway, it's simply going to be beading right off. To start off with, we always recommend cleaning off the glass. The glass has already been cleaned. Then step number 2 is going to be getting clay luber and your choice of clay bar. In this occasion, I have my clay luber diluted into my secondary sprayer bottle. In this occasion, I already have my clay luber in my secondary sprayer bottle. The secondary sprayer bottle is a 32-ounce bottle. It also has dilution ratios on the side just in case you want to dilute your products. In this occasion, I use clay luber straight out the bottle. Like this, I have ultra lubrication on the glass, and like this, I will not be causing any marring. Now, the choice of clay bar that I'll be using today is going to be the OG clay bar. The OG clay bar is a light to medium duty clay bar. This fits right in the middle of our clay bars that we offer. Of course, we do offer a very light one for newer cars, such as the blue one, all the way to the most heavy one, which is the black one. And of course, this is going to be in the middle. Is that thunder? Lightning, like a thunder. All right, guys, so now that the thunder's away, you guys can see that the weather's very bipolar right now here in California. But anyways, guys, to start off with, you want to get your clay luber. You want to spray it onto your glass. Be very generous, and you guys can see, clay luber is a liquid, of course, right? That has synthetic lubricants in it. It's dragging on the glass, and that's what you want to prevent. You don't want any type of dragging on the glass. So all you do is knead out your clay bar to a 3-wet finger, spray some onto your bar as well, go to the area, and then just work it in side to side. By working in side to side, you are ensuring you are removing all contaminants that has embedded itself into the glass, as well as you're going to allow your glass pores to be open. So whenever you come with your ceramic coating, it's actually going to bond properly, it's going to last longer, and it's going to protect up to a year. Anytime you work with ceramic coatings, we always recommend claying the surface. Whether you're using HydroCharge Plus, clay the paint. Whether you're using HydroSpin, clay the wheels. Like this, you get a true bond from our ceramic coatings that we offer here at Chemical Guys onto the surface you're providing. After the clay bar in the glass, you guys can come close and you guys can see there's actually contaminants coming off onto the glass. Now, these are very microscopic contaminants, and it's very hard to see with the eye unless you actually use something like a clay bar. So after you get some type of contaminants, what I like to do is I like to re-knead my clay bar just so I have a clean side to work with. Now that the side is clean, I'll do one more pass, spray that on there, spray some more onto the surface, spray some more onto the bar, and then I'll just go back to the glass and go side to side. Now, HydroView is a ceramic coating that's a glass cleaner and ceramic coating all in one. But before we apply it, always remember you do need to clay bar the surface just so you can allow it to bond properly. And I do have a tape running down the middle, so like this, I could take it back outside and you guys can see the benefits of having a ceramic coating on the glass. So just go side to side, up and down. And once you are done, you get your clay bar, you inspect it. Obviously, no type of contamination is coming off, so that means I'm ready to wipe it down. I'll put it on top of my spray bottle. I'll put this on the floor. If your clay bar does fall, unfortunately, you do need to toss it out. It's like gum. But in this occasion, I will store it away just so our guys here at the detail garage can go ahead and reuse it. So I'll get a clean microfiber towel. In this occasion, I am using the Workhorse microfiber towel. The Workhorse microfiber towel has sewn edges on it. It has a very short pile. I personally like to use it whenever I'm using it with liquids. Something that is not like a cream base. Whenever you are dealing with a cream base, quick detail spray, I personally like using something much more softer like our happy ending towel, but in this occasion, the Workhorse microfiber towel will do its job. Now, just by wiping the glass, I can feel it being so smooth. Even though there's still water dragging on it, keep this in mind. There's no more contaminants on the glass, but there is still going to be water dragging. That's because over time, the contaminant has caused so much water dragging on this glass that we need to bring this back. So even though there's water dragging, I'm pretty sure using HydroView, it's going to bring it back. So let me just finish wiping down this whole entire surface. Once I get it completely dried, I'll show you guys how simple and easy it is to apply HydroView to your glass. See you guys after. All right, guys, we just finished drying up the glass. The glass was a little bit much more difficult to dry just because it has no type of protection. But by using HydroView, HydroView is actually going to make clean your glass a lot easier. It's also going to give you crystal clear vision whenever you're driving. Now, I'll put my clay bar off to the side, and it's fairly simple to use. Before using it, just shake up the product. You go to the surface you want to apply it, and you'll lightly mist it. 3, 4, 5. 5 sprays. Just so I could be extra generous, I'll spray some onto my towel, 3 sprays. And then I'll go to the surface that I wanted to apply it on, and I will actually work it in linear motions. But I'm also overlapping the previous pass just so I can ensure I get a true even coverage of HydroView on this glass. You guys can still see there's still some streaks on it. I like to let it sit just so it could actually bond properly. Flip over to a clean side, come back, buff off the residue. And you guys can see before, whenever liquids came into contact with this glass, it was much more difficult to actually apply liquids and remove them. Now by using HydroView, it's making the surface slick, but nonetheless, it's no longer streaking on us. By it's not streaking on us, that means the ceramic coating is actually bonding onto the surface. If I grab my hand, it's no longer dragging. The glass actually feels like glass. There's no type of contamination. So it's very simple to clean your glass. Whenever you do get any more streaks, you could use it as a glass cleaner. You could apply it frequently. It actually protects up to a year protection, but it all depends how you maintain your car. If you're like this owner of this truck, Joey, and you park your car outside, obviously you might need to apply it frequently, but if you're more as in like little Alex that has a garage kept acty, then you go ahead and apply it every 12 months. It all depends on how often you drive your car, how you maintain it, how you drive it, and how you care for it. Anyways, guys, now it's time for us to take this car outside, and then we'll let the rain show you guys the benefits of actually it being ceramic coated compared to something that's not ceramic coated. But anyways, guys, we'll meet you guys on the outside, and then I'll bring it back on the inside so I can show you guys how simple it is to dry a glass that has been ceramic coated. But before I forget, we actually need to let 3 hours to pass so we can actually let it bond properly. After 3 hours, within 24 hours, you'll see more hydrophobic properties. Anyways, guys, enough talking and more water beading. I missed!
3 hours later.
All right, guys, so it's been 3 hours. We showed you guys the before and after effects. I mean, it's night and day different. One side has water dragging versus the other side has water beading. You always want water beading because whenever you're going down the highway, you want the beads just to simply glide right off. I just pull in the truck, and it's very simple to just dry. So just get a clean microfiber towel, go to the area, and you guys can see there's no more water dragging whatsoever. The glass is smooth. The towel is gliding across the glass easily without leaving any streaks left behind. If you do get a little streak behind, just flip it over to a clean side, come back, and wipe it down. Now we'll be going over some questions about HydroView. Can you use HydroView on exterior glass? The answer is yes. Can you use HydroView on tinted windows? The answer is yes, but only use it on OEM tints. OEM tints, the tint is within the glass. You can use it on that. Other than that, if you do have aftermarket tints and you don't know whether it's aftermarket or OEM, you could always use HydroView on the exterior. And on the interior, take care of it using Streak-Free. Streak-Free is also an ammonia-free glass cleaner that works on every single glass. It's not going to harm aftermarket tints, OEM tints. Simply spray and wipe. Simple, 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 simple. But anyways, guys, there you guys have it. That is how simple and easy it is to ceramic coat a glass in one step using HydroView. The Hydro line is amazing. If you guys want to pick up any of these products today, you can actually hop onto our website, contamination.com. We'll ship the product straight to your door. And if not, you can make your drive down to your local detail garage. I recommend you do so. We have over 90 detail garage locations across the globe. As always, I'm Henry, and thank you for sharing Passion Prime with Chemical Guys. Boom! Perfect!